everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today, coming at you with a brand new line of shaving software and hardware from around the world. We are so excited about this new brand, Antiga Barbearia de Bairro. And I'm probably not saying that perfectly, but I'm not Portuguese. But this company is. They are from Portugal, and they have a beautiful line of handcrafted, made in Portugal products, soaps, aftershaves, splashes, brushes, that all represent different walks of life in different parts of Portugal. The whole inspiration of this brand is really kind of the old days, the neighborhoods of Portugal, men walking down the street, looking really sharp, dressed really nice, barbers, little barber shops on the city street, the beautiful mosaic, sidewalks, just so much of the kind of the life that comes to a standstill, and enjoying this life, and having beautiful fragrances and beautiful products to use in our bathroom that help us enjoy life. So that's kind of the essence I've got from the brand in reading through some of the materials. I actually had an opportunity to talk to the owner as well. He called me on the phone when we placed his first order together. So I've never been to Portugal, but I'm a big fan of Spanish life in general, Spain and Mexico here in the North American continent, and I'm very excited to have this line of products at our store. I've always seen it. Different distributors have carried it. I've seen it at some trade shows. I've seen it in some Shave of the Days, and I just said, you know what, it's unique, and I haven't used it before, but I want to bring it on, and I'm really happy I did. I've had an opportunity to smell some of the smells here and touch some of the products and packaging, and I'm really impressed, and I want to share with you some of my thoughts. So we're going to start over here with the orange line. So the orange line is kind of reminiscent of the Douro landscape, and it's called the Riviera line. And so all the colors are, sunshine and old houses and kind of the colors of the river area. This is going to have fragrances of Italian bergamot, bitter orange and petitgreen, a light presence of spices, fruity and floral notes, magnolia, jasmine. There's even a baseline of musk and cedarwood to, as they say, to remember the boats that used to climb the river. So a very beautiful package line here, and a very wonderful smelling line. So the next line is the green, which is the Principe Real. Some of the scents here are cedar and sandalwood with patchouli. This is really inspired by the scents of leaves and fruit trees, bergamot, orange, lime, tangerine, and also amber and vanilla. So this is one that has just a touch of a wood or kind of a spicy clove, and even a chocolate and a musk in it. So it's a very complex scent. Very cool. It's kind of a, as I would call it, just old school traditional scent here. Very, very nice. And also matching aftershave packaging, soaped in a cream form over here. Matching green brush, pretty cool. That's kind of the first thing I really picked up on, is that they really were committed to each of these very unique scents, and the packaging on that scent is actually very unique of its own. It's not shared with other products in the same line. So the last one is a brand new scent for Antigua, and this is in the white packaging. It's called Chiado, and this is directly inspired by the beautiful mosaic sidewalks of this city and this neighborhood area that are blues and whites. And this is a real modern scent. So if you're looking for that, something that's new and modern smelling, this is the scent for you. This has notes of cedar and sandalwood, tobacco leaf. This also has jacaranda, basil, jasmine. There's a floral touch to it. So very, to me, it's actually very, very good smelling. I'm kind of thinking about taking one of these home. Yeah, really nice. Very unique. I don't think I've ever smelled anything like that before. But no matter which one you choose, I think that the first thing you really see with this line is the quality, the care, the attention with the packaging, with the presentation, with the stories, with the scents, how they arrived at these different notes. There's little stories behind all of them. So they've done a great job of capturing this essence of Portugal, this exotic place far away, and then bringing it to you. And so you can have that experience every day in your bathroom. And you can have that quality too. So it's not just that it smells great, it performs really great too. So I think that this is a very exciting line that we have brought to Razor Emporium and brought to you guys out there. Hope you guys give it a try. They have, you know, everything you need really. You got even all in blocks over here, mugs. This is a really cool, unique mug. I like this one. It's very different. It's like a little chalice being brought to you for your shave every morning. So very, very cool. No matter which one you go with or try them all, I think you'll have a great experience. If you have used Antiga Barbearia de Bairro, and again, I'm not saying that perfectly with an accent, but guess what? That's as best as I can do. If you have used it before, first off, tell me, am I pronouncing it right or wrong or close? But seriously, how do you like it? Have you know, is performance-wise, is scent-wise, which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. I do want to hear from you guys. And if I do hear from you, you're entered in to win this, the official Razor Emporium Black and Blue t-shirt. We love having you guys part of our channel. We love bringing these new lines of products to you guys. Some people have never seen some of this stuff, and we're happy to help bring that into your bathroom. So we'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys. See you next time.